my only reason to get it would be to get SRT for the most part, unless like days like today where I could maybe steal my mom's phone for a little bit of data, but that's about it. Yeah, maybe he's working from like the at home all the time, just has been or just been busy with life, you know. People with real jobs and real have lives outside of Twitch. Right, I don't know them enough. Yeah, see, I think people just bring their dogs here. I'm like, is there an official dog park? Look at the doggos. Good for everyone. No. Okay, watch it. How fast you're going. On your left. No, the bitrate is total trash here. Because, you know, where everybody is, it's probably good enough for people to like text and call, but it's just trash. And then for some reason pedestrian and then bike went. Yeah, it's yelling. I have not had good signal here. I think there's just too many people and they haven't kept up with it. Too many tall buildings. I don't know. It just stopped because there was a cop that looks like he's staring at stuff. Park. Oh, he's just parking. Yeah, I saw the giant duck in Toronto. You don't want like $3,000 lights?
Oh, they said the what?
Yeah.
I'm good.
That's, I think there's like one or two little shops left. Everything else is ridiculously expensive. Because I was not getting any of that stuff because I thought a lot of it is like to get bonding, and if I'm not getting bonding, I thought there was no point in getting an encoder. I think it's Bella Box. If you want, I can send it to you later, unless somebody in the chat has it.